Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and today I am joining Satmore Makes. This is a hashtag created by Jill. She is Jillian Norwood Designs Greenwood Girl Cards here on YouTube. So Jill created this hashtag for us to craft during the week and then have a hashtag where we can all upload our crafty designs on Saturday morning. So that's what I'm joining today. So let me share with you what I used. I used this paper pad by Paper Lane. It's called Paper Lane by Recollections. It's 29 designs with 2 sheets each. I'm not a big fan of this paper pad. Recollection paper is kind of thin for me. It's single-sided, lots of designs, but not my favorite paper pad, but I used it. And then I also used this, just a little bit of this Altenew alcohol marker. It's the artist marker, and it's orange. Then I used a couple of the stickers from this 20-piece sticker set by Maggie Holmes. I don't know what collection this is. Chasing Dreams. So an oldie but a goodie. And I also used these Essential Modern Ovals by Spellbinders. These are awesome. They are kind of thin than some of the other, are slender than some of the other ovals, and I really like them. And then the start of the show was a stamp set that I got from, I think it's Peachy. And it's these Jill's Joyful Hearts, and it's a stamp set by Jillian Norwood, or Jill Norwood, and it's the Snow Angel. So isn't this adorable? And this is what they call a primitive stamp set, I believe. I'm not used to using those, so I kind of struggled a little bit, but let me share the cards that I made. I only made 2 designs here, 2 cards, and the first one is this cute little one, and just super simple. I paper pieced the colors for the Snow Angel, and I enjoyed doing that. I hadn't done that in a while. I used to love paper piecing with the Julie Nutting dolls, but I haven't done it in a while, so this was fun for me. Cutting out her little mittens and shoes, and then the bow, there is a bow on here as well as a halo, but I just could not fussy cut that out to where it looked decent, so I kind of gave up on that. So I used the bows from the Maggie Holmes sticker set, so I thought she turned out a little cute. And I also used some gold paper from Spellbinders, and then some white paper I layered here from Joey and the basil paper. And then here's the second one, and this time she has a little yellow bow, and I used a little button to try to add a little something to it, but I like the way it is. I like the latest kind of plain, and then she's the showcase, the little Snow Angel. Now on these bows, they did have the what do they call them, the legs? I don't know, the part that comes down, but I cut them off because it would have covered her face. So there are my cards. Let me know what you think below. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing and hit the like button if you like this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.